I'll be showing you how to use and navigate PBS LearningMedia. So what we'll do to get to this page is just type in pbslearningmedia.org into our search bar, and it'll take you to this home page. The easiest way for me to find lesson plans that I want to use is to click on this first tab, Subjects. And as you can see, we have science, social studies, mathematics, etc. And the nice thing about this is that it's not just broad on the subjects, it actually breaks it down into specific subjects within that subject. So, for example, let's say we're teaching science and we want to find a lesson plan and some resources on life science. So go ahead and click on that, and then we'll filter it by grade. So let's say we want to do second. Go ahead and click on that and then click on update. And as it loads, we'll see all types of things from videos to interactives for students to lesson plans, all of that. So as we can see here, just for second grade in this specific science, there are almost 500 videos. So these are just examples of videos that we could show to our students while teaching this life science. We also have interactive lessons. So those are good to do during class, and the students typically really enjoy these because they're fun and hands-on. We've got some more interactives for students to use. And then we have lesson plans. In my opinion, the most beneficial part of PBS LearningMedia are the lesson plans, because it can be difficult to always be coming up with new lesson plans, especially because teachers are teaching, 6 to 8 hours a day. So PBS LearningMedia gives great information and inspiration for coming up with lesson plans, and even provides lesson plans as well. Another cool thing I like to do is it shows all the different grades, because PBS LearningMedia is for preschool to 12th grade, so there are a lot of opportunities and information for educators on this website. So let's go ahead and do early elementary, just because that is my specific area. So when you click on this grades tab, it will just give you general education information and lesson plans. So you can find numerous videos, interactives, and all that stuff, like what I talked about before. So you can see on the videos, there's almost 6,000 just for the general education part of it. Got all the interactive lessons. So the setup is exactly the same as when you go into the specific subjects. This just gives a lot more of a broad idea. We've got interactives, lots and lots of lesson plans. And like I said, it's just exactly the same setup as before. I would just recommend always going to the subjects when looking for lesson plans, because it's so much easier to find, and you can just break it down by grade like what I showed earlier. So that is PBS LearningMedia, great digital resource, very accessible, and it really helps me with my lesson plans, and I really recommend it.